Today is a very big day. Miles the van is getting flooring today. First steps is we need to clean this baby out. We need to clean super good. I don't want anything in here. So while I'm doing that, Blackhawk is gonna work on this shower wall, getting this all perfect, and I'm going to clean. And then we can put in our heated floor and our flooring. Yay! Reading some instructions for the heated floor. After much deliberation about how exactly to go about putting in these heated floor mats, I think we're ready to rock and roll. Floor is clean, shoes are off, dogs have to stay because Mama cleaned. Yeah, sorry, you gotta stay out of the van today because you're dirty. Love you though. You gotta stay there. Oh, and we're chasing gophers. Beautiful.
Okay. So one thing we wanted in the van that we talked about was heated floor, and most common is the radiant heat floor, Vanlife Tech. That's $7,000. So no, that's not feasible. It is feasible. Too expensive.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
But so what we found was a lot of alternatives, but I found this for floating floor, and it's QUIETWARMTH. Some off-brand cheap stuff that you get at Menards, kind of like Home Depot. But the thing I was looking for was something that drew as minimal amps as I could get. And the nice thing is both of these combined draw, 3 amps per hour. So you can't beat that. So 10 hours, it's going to draw 30 amps.
I just want the dogs right now. Okay, continue.
So
we're gonna stand off. Ready, set, go! Okay, sorry.
Nobody cares about my floor. I have never installed this type of flooring before. I've done other types of heated floor, but read the instructions, and one thing that on here that's kind of weird is no trim, partitions, walls, anything can be on top of the floor. So what we were gonna do is we got a 3-foot by 10-foot piece, so we were just gonna run the length of the van of where the walking space is, and it would be 10 inches underneath the cabinets and underneath the shower and stuff. Well, can't do that. So now what we got to do is piece this together in 2 pieces for the narrow walkway between the kitchen cabinets and the shower, and then our little open space at the front. So we got to figure out how to cut this apart, fix it back together, and then get it mounted on the floor. So we'll see how that goes. So before putting this stuff in, we need to do a resistance test. We need to measure the ohms on it. So whenever 51117 was when the factory produced this and tested it, and they got 190 ohms out of it. So we got our trusty voltmeter, and we turn it to the little top hat looking thingy, and then we connect it to the colors, and we got almost exactly that, which I'll take 1 ohm. So they test out good, so now we're going to figure out how to cut it and put it back together.
So with the heated floor, these things are obviously not gonna be okay to have under flooring. I don't want to be stepping on that. So we're cutting holes in the floor and we're gonna router out the sections where those go so that they lay flush.
So we got all of our channels routed out, and then these are the, I don't know, the connecting terminals for the whole mat. So there's quite a bit of junk sitting there, so we had to router out quite a big spot for them to sit. But they sit nice and flush with the floor now. So we just got to route our wires, get some aluminum ducting tape, tape everything down, clean one more time, and we can start setting floor.
Can we have lunch first? I'm really hungry.
It's like 10 o'clock.
I know, but I'm starving. Okay, we got everything taped. We kind of forgot to turn the camera on for that, but we're just focusing so hard here. All right, heated floor is in. We just have to get those wires over here. And then we can put in flooring. Look at that.
Hear the birds and see the sun.
Are you ready for installation? I'm so excited!
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh.
That's it. We're done. That went a lot faster than I thought it would. Both things did.
Not too bad.
It looks really good. So, we're not doing back there because we have different flooring that we're going to use for the garage. And then this will be covered by the shower and countertops, la la la. So this is all we had to do.
Cabinets.
Cabinets.
If it was the countertop, that'd be a really low counter.
Cabinets, counter, whatever. It's all the same. What's next? Lunchtime? Okay. Come on, let's go to lunch.
Can weather any storm.
How come you never wait for me?
Because you're slow.
I'm not slow. We're putting in the garage floor.
Mm-hmm.
You did not tell me we were doing this. What is this stuff?
Contact. Literally, once something comes in contact with it, it is cemented.
Oh boy. Sounds serious. The garage flooring is in. Ta-da! Wow, Wow, God must have felt very sorry for us and the weather we've been dealing with, because it's so beautiful today. There's like a slight breeze, but nothing crazy. It's so nice. So we got the floor covered, and now I think we're gonna start making this wall, and then maybe starting the shower walls. We'll see. See how Blackhawk feels. This is his rodeo, not mine.
Well, we just got a part of the utility closet on. I'm leaving the bottom open just because if I need to run any wires, I can at least get them there. I think we're calling her a day, and then tomorrow we will start getting some walls facing outwards.
Oh, we have to go get the mail tonight too. We have a bunch of packages that came in. Okay, let's clean up. Go take a nap. I spy with my little eye the UPS truck right down there. There. Dropping off presents for me. We got a new lens. Woohoo! So here's the new lens. Sorry, this is the best mirror I've got right now. It's not bad, it's nice and light. We got a little tulip on it. It's not too shabby. We were supposed to get our mic with it, but something happened with UPS today and that won't be here till next week. So, fingers crossed it gets here in a couple days. So we had to get a new lens because when we were working on the Jeep, Blackhawk was filming, tried to get a good shot of the sparks, like this. And it ruined our lens. So then we ended up with a lens that looks like this. You see all those little dots? That's damage from the sparks, which causes our film to look like this. I don't know if you can see all those shiny little specks, but that's from all the damage on the lens catching the light, which, in my opinion, is sometimes kind of a cool effect, but overall, not really, kind of more a pain in the butt. So we spent a little money, made an investment, got us a new lens. We made another investment and got ourselves a new mic, but it's not here yet. So, with all that, this is good night. So, Blackhawk worked out some issues with the van. We got our flooring in. We got started on building out our utility closet and our shower. And I'm ready for bed. Blackhawk is fishing and I'm tired. So, I'm gonna curl up with the dogs and watch a movie. You guys be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And have a good night.